So hello everyone, welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the Easy Peasy DIY series. So here, just have to fold the paper as we are doing it here, and cut it as we cut it, and the final result will definitely wow. It is a bow, yeah. You can actually paste them in your gifts and other things, and you will be really happy if you want to make this beautiful heart the way we are making it here, and it's done. Wow, these are really nice. I can actually give them. If you are making them, please send me one, yeah. They look really nice. Okay, so now we are making this cute mouse and these are actually running. What could be better than that? If you want to make your pencils a bit better, all you have to do is follow it. And you can give them to your sisters, to your small sisters of course, and done. So these look really nice. If you want to make this beautiful fish, all you have to do is fold the paper as we did here and already cut it down the fish figure, and done. That was easy and that looked really nice at the same time. Okay, now moving forward, we are making this beautiful flower. Oh wow, hey, wow, yeah, that was really nice concept. I am going to try that. If you want to make these stars to decorate your room, your bed or whatever, so all you have to do was whatever we did here. Okay. If you want to make your Santa lollipops, that sounded really weird, but whatever. If you want to make them, guys, this is all yours. The idea is all yours. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is you have to make 3 of these cylinders, and with the help of your earbuds. Okay, so this looks like your what do you call them? Firecrackers, na? Because these are your pollution less firecrackers. What could be better than that? If you want to make these flowers, all yours. You can make them and put them in your hairpins, and your DIY beautiful hairpins are all done. Okay, so your shirt design is done while I was chit-chatting with you guys, though I do a lot. Okay, now what you have to do here is, I don't know what we are making here is mermaid. Oh, it was not a mermaid, it was a broomstick, yaar. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, it is a tulip flower. And these are very famous, guys, and these are really famous flowers. So done. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, we already made it. If you want to make these cute, beautiful pockets, all you have to do is this way, and you can put some, little jewelry in them to give your people, and done. Now, what you have to do is, okay, so this is like a very typical house, not in India, and you all know where. You can make it, and now just put some colors and done. Now you have to take a figure like your hand, and okay, so that is how these are looking like different nail pins, and your nails are all done, and you can make them to play with them, and done.